last lecture we have seen minors. Now in this lecture we will see cofactor. So see the example in exercise 4.1, example number 5 or question number 5. That is a find cofactor of this 2 minus 3 5 6 0 4 1 5 minus 7. Find the cofactor of elements in second row. Find cofactor of elements in second row. So elements in second row means we have to find the cofactor of A21, A22, A21, A22 and A23. Okay. So A21, what is the formula? Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. Second row, eliminating second row, first column. Which elements are remain here? Minus 3, 5, 5 minus 7. So which is equal to minus 1 cube. 21 minus 25. Minus 1 cube minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4, which is equal to 4. So cofactor of A21 which is equal to 4. Similarly, we can find cofactor of A22. Cofactor of A22, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2. Second row, second column. Eliminating second row, second column, we get the elements 2, 1, 5 minus 7. So which is equal to minus 14 minus 5 minus 19. A23, cofactor of A23 which is equal to minus 1, 2 plus 3, second row, third column. Second row, third column. 2, 1, minus 3, 5. So which is equal to minus 2, minus 1, minus 1 raised to 5, we minus 1. And here 10 plus minus 3, 10 plus 13, minus 13. So in this way we can find the cofactor of these elements. Okay. Now in the next we will see that is a Cramer's rule. So what is a Cramer's rule? So Cramer's rule is used to solve the linear equation. Cramer's rule is used to solve the linear equation. If we are given the equation like this, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. These are the linear equation in two variables. How many variables? X and y, two variables. So by using Cramer's rule, what is the solution of this equation? X which is equal to dx upon d, y which is equal to dy upon d. Okay. Now what is a d here? D which is the first column, coefficient of x, second column coefficient of y. What is a dx? Dx which is equal to x column, coefficient of x is replaced by constant coefficient y, that is dx. And what is a dy? Dy here, coefficient of x as it is, coefficient of y will be replaced by constant. If we solve this determinant, we get the solution of the linear equation. So this is about two variable. If we are given three variable a x y z, then how can we solve the determinant, or how can we solve the equations? So equation will be like this: a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. So if we are given the equations in the three variable, a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. Okay. So to solve this linear equation having variable x, y, z, so solution of this linear equation will be like this: small x is equal to dx upon d, small y is equal to dy upon d, z is equal to dz upon d. So yes, how to find the value of dx? Dx is also determinant. So first we will see d. What is a d? First column element, in the first column coefficient of x, second column coefficient of y, b1 b2 b3, c1 c2 c3, third column coefficient of z. So this is a d. Now how to find dx? So dx, which is equal to like this. So in dx the coefficient of x is replaced by constant d1 d2 d3, b1 b2 b3. So dx, which is equal to here the coefficient of x is replaced by constant d1 d2 d3, b1 b2 b3, c1 c2 c3. dy, in dy coefficient of x as it is a1 a2 a3, coefficient of b is replaced by constant d1 d2 d3, c1 c2 c3. Similarly dz, so in dz coefficient of z is replaced by constant, coefficient of y as coefficient of z is replaced by constant